Hey guys, René Bruun back with you. Out for a cycle on a new adventure today, photographing gypsy horses. But one of the hardest things you can do when you're out and about is come across a lovely scene like this. Except you've all the modern houses behind you here in the background. You kind of want to get the shot to make it look like it's in the middle of the countryside. It looks way better. So I'm going to shoot this, walk around, make sure there's no distractions, make sure I get this right. Enjoy. The sun is coming this way, so I'm going to make sure that side is lit up. I'm going to get a shot of the old stack here. Now it's nice and bright out, so it's saying 3,000 of a second shutter speed. Just going to manually focus. Got it perfect. And I'm going to get a nice shot. There's lots of fluffy clouds in the back. I'm at an f8 aperture. Lovely, lovely. Going to try one from inside. Again, you can't see this, but I'm getting the building lined up in the shot. 2,000 of a second because there's a lot more darkness in here. I'm shooting straight into the building rather than the clear sky. So, what else can I talk about today? I don't know. Dog shit? Could talk about dog shit. Yeah, so a very quick thank you to all the additional followers to my channel. I really appreciate it. Facebook like for you guys. I really appreciate it. I think I'm 947 now. I need 1,000 and then 4,000 hours of watched video, and then I can start earning pittance, which is what we all aim for. Earn, the few shekels. But if you like Leica cameras, if you like a Leica, subscribe as well. Especially the M8, because we all learn from each other new tips and tricks. Okay, next spot I'm heading off to is over by the Clayton Hotel near Dublin Airport. There's a little field there and there's some traveller horses there on Sunday evening. I don't have to be there now, but I'm going to head over that way. And after that I'm going to head over towards Darndale again. Sometimes they have traveller horses there. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, keep watching and enjoy. So, behind me here, we have what's known as a Vanir horse, aka a cob horse, a gypsy horse. I found two of them, lovely stuff. He's taking a bite of my camera bag at the moment. Actually, he's going to burst my tyre. Get out of that, you jackbag. So, I had to move across the road. This fella's partial to my bicycle.